Alright, so we just got done with our headlights, and you could see I tried least abrasive first, seeing if we could polish it. That did absolutely nothing, so then we ended up wet sanding, and I started at 1,000, then about 1,200, 1,500, 2,500, and then 3,000 grit. Then we did a heavy cut compound with a wool pad, and then we did a polish with Koch Chemi's products, their heavy cut, and then their micro cut and finish. You can see we got about, I would say, 40 to 50% improvement. They're going to be able to at least see a lot better at night. You can see we've got some crow's feet going on here, which is essentially where the clears failed. There's not much you can do at this point. You probably just need to purchase new ones, but at least when it comes time to sell the vehicle, it aesthetically looks a lot better. So before I even start tackling the engine and the tires and wheels, I want to see what we can do with this trim. It's heavily oxidized, and I actually hit this part with just an APC, and you can see just how much dirt it removed. So I'm gonna actually try something with a magic eraser and just see how much of that dirt and oxidation we can remove with just a magic eraser. Before we even do our wash and before we do our trim restoration, because I've got to kind of remove this layer of dirt off the top of it. This is about the equivalent of 5,000 grit sandpaper. It's sort of like polishing it. So we're just able to remove kind of that dead layer of dirt. We'll pressure wash it, blast it all out, but I don't want to be super aggressive with chemical and cause staining. So we're just going to go around the vehicle with our magic eraser. Because it's just water in this bucket. I don't need to have chemical drips, stains, things like that. And then we're going to focus next on engine bay cleaning, door jambs, tires and wheels, and then get our vehicle washed. Tomorrow we'll start polishing it. That'll be a new day. So today is just kind of our prep on the exterior, get some of the grindiness off, and then we'll focus on polishing it tomorrow.